guys, good morning. So Saika Nikki here. Welcome to this channel. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. So today I will be going to Parklane International Hotel because Sangka Sakaha will be held at Aluginsan, and I'm super blessed to be invited to be there. And yes, I'm super late. I hope I will be able to make it because the call time is 6:30. Di naman siya traffic, but then matagal lang siguro ako nakaalis. I'm almost there, hopefully makaabot. Guys, I just arrived here at Parklane. I thought na naiwan ako, but no, hindi pa pala. We're still waiting for ABS-CBN. And then, I'm having right now my breakfast. Ano siya? Bacon, tsaka fried rice. Eat muna ako, guys. We're going aboard, guys. May ko na kung kilay, guys. Hi! I'm with Christine. Hello, guys. Grabe, dangos kay ko rin.
The Kilay Queen.
The kilay queen. Kilay queen. Pero eyeliner queen.
O, nasayop.
At sila na po kung sa media. Grabe. Basta! We're here na, guys! We just arrived! Yan na si...
Hi!
Medyo maldito.
Welcome to
Aluginsan man eh. Aluginsan eh. Nadjod akong idol eh. Grabe. Saan na akong kuyon? Kumusta imong pag-travel, guys?
Great.
Great eh, imong pag-travel, guys. Nalingaw ka sa imong kakao.
Cute ang ilahan. Look! Awa.
Oh, lagi. Nice kayo.
Cucumber ang sani.
Nice kayo, guys. Super nice. Guys, muna yung likod ni medyo maldito. Nagpalikod. Cinematic. Nga nung wala man si Snake Princess, gang.
Bantay sa mga bata.
Oh, ganun! Patay. Nagbantay ko na sa ilang bata. Welcome to Boho River! Wow! Yan!
Okay, mana.
Guys, Marie. Malangay dyan tas atong kuanan ni. Guys, super! Sa gani, we're here at Boho River! River! Gamin nindo ta, guys, oh. Pero init ako kadagkao, but it's okay. By the way, guys, today, kailangan may sunscreen, protective sunscreen. Guys, nindot kayong adventure. Hello, Sir Myong! Wala ni mo dada si Miss Candy. Ang gwapa nga si Miss Amy. The kilay is life. Yan, gwapa kayo. Sabtagog ko anan. The lipstick, pildi ko best. Pildi ko.
Di man.
Gamit kayo. Ay, artistahin. Boho River. Bohol /L. Walalay labot nindot kayo dire as in. Ay kainit, kasakit sa agtang.
So, today technically marks the 9th anniversary when Baita started accepting guests. No?
We're going to ride sa boat. And then we have our life vest. We're going to tour sa Buho River. Oh, we're going to ride there.
Yay!
Yes, excited. Okay to kasi walang splashing effect kasi river siya. Super ganda guys. Super maganda pa sa amin. Oh my God.
Ligo mo dito, ligo mo dito. Yay! We're here, Saika!
Hala, sige, mahagbong. Mayroong camera tungod aning vlog.
It's Steph's if my makeup is anti-hulas.
Antay-hulas.
Yeah, it's color pop.
We're ready guys. We're ready. We're all ready.
Mega na pa.
Pwede paliguan ni ka, ma'am? Pwede, ma'am. Ang kaliguanan ko sa among mga guests diri ma'am kay ato sa river mouth.
Ito dito dapat.
Grabe guys, ang ganda pala dito. Super. Makikita nyo talaga na well-preserved yung mga mangroves dito. Lahat ng mga tao talagang super disciplined kasi they said hindi pwedeng managat dito. Doon lang sila pwede sa ano. Super, ang ganda. Tingnan nyo. Oh. I was super blessed to be invited by the Park Plain International Hotel to witness this beautiful scenery, and then it's super nice because there's a cooking contest later this afternoon. It's called Sangka sa Kaha, and I'm excited for that. But right now we're having a tour on this Buho River, and as you can see on the clips, super beautiful talaga guys. If you have time, you need to visit Aloginsan, and it's just a 3 hours ride from main Cebu. And I'm going to place all the links on the description box. Super ganda. Ganda ng hangin. Super guwapa lagi taday.
Hi!
Also told us na while touring or going around sa Buho River, you need to make your voice a little bit low. Hindi pwede yung maingay kasi they respect the spirit of rivers, of course. Wow, tingnan nyo oh. Super, di ba? I love it. Super love. Nag-transfer na kami ng ibang boat, guys. So, papunta na kami sa open sea. Oh my God! Guys, we just arrived sa Hermit's Cove. Super pretty dito, guys. They welcome us with this ritual.
Taong dili na to, kita. Wala tayo o palutaw sa dagat. Ako, pwede na ma'am.
Come here. Grabe, ito, ano?
With latik or with no latik? Check
With
it
latik,
out.
with
It's
latik.
so yummy. It's very crispy.
Sapa.
The latik looks so good.
Food vlogger. Food vlogger ka dahil.
Ilugan na nato sila ko anday. Silang Carlo.
Nasa na itong kalamit sa buong. Super nice. We just arrived sa location ng lunch namin. Sinalubong kami ng ano? Guys, mga fashion vloggers sa Cebu!
Follow them, follow them.
Lo and behold.
Lloyd and Behold and Itian!
Itian, Chantal. Follow me.
Follow. Buwapa kayo guys. Hi guys, so right now, kumakain kami guys. Ang sarap ng lechon. Super. Tapos meron pa music. That's it. I'm going to finish my lunch first and I'll be back, okay? Guys, I was Sir Carlo! Hi, Sir Carlo!
Hi guys!
Hi guys, subscribe!
Subscribe to my channel
Yes!
and unsubscribe to hers. No, kidding.
Liwata!
God na inspired me sa Suroy-Suroy Sugbo ang imong pag-aghat nga magtukod og festival kada lungsod ug mangita og pamaagi nga ma-promote gayud ang local tourism. And I am just so proud of this small town of Aluginsan because it has shown itself to be so big, not just to the country but to the entire world.
These are the participants, guys, for the Sangha Sakaha. And they're the youngest participants.
He's the principal
Then the rest
tourism
of
officer of Pride of Aluginsan.
So, 7 participants, guys, yung kalahok sa Sangha Sakaha. So, expected 7 dishes din. Guys, the Sangha Sakaha tournament has just started and all of the chefs or the main cook are the ones who are assigned to get all the ingredients there. Hi! Hi, Maria! Grabe, guwapo kayo sa Bems. Wow, grabe ang weather, guys. Super init, but then the competition is so hot as well, and I'm super happy because I have Fit and Right as my drinks. The recipe, guys, is tinubaang kinsa.
Okay, so friends, ay sa katong mga taga-media o katong mga guests na anak
By number, kay you will explain your day.
Ito na yung mga
Food
dish,
tasting,
guys.
mag-critic na.
Super. Isa na lang yung kulang tapos wrap up na. Hindi wrap up, judging time. Yan yun.
Ang tinunuang kinsan sa aluginsan. No?
Unsa may madagan aning atong mga participants nga kanang nagkugi gyud taon sila og join aning atong sangka sa kaha. A knife, this one from Del Monte, and then our plaque. First time ni nga nag-plaque gyud og ingon ani from Smart Communications through Attorney Jane Paredes. Thank you, ma'am. From Park Lane, we will be giving out cash prizes and gift certificates sa kananan sa atong restaurant sa 4th floor.
Ang una na akong tawagon would be our third placer. The winner is entry number 4!
Hello guys, so thank you so much for watching. Congratulations to the winner. So I'm Saiki Nikki and I'm signing off. I had so much fun today of the Sangka sa Kaha and we're going home na. And then congratulations again to the winner. Super yummy and thank you so much Municipality of Alaginsan for having us and also Park Lane International Hotel. So bye-bye for now and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and be a part of his family and click the notification bell. Okay, so bye-bye!